Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 13th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather fairly quiet this week, but as the weekend begins on Saturday, we could see some strong storms, then colder air, and maybe much colder air out there toward Thanksgiving next week. Let's go in there and check things out this morning. There's the water vapor satellite view. A little shortwave upper trough, the axis east of the state. That brought a few showers yesterday, but not very many. Mostly 40s this morning as the day begins. Gadsden, the cold spot, they're sitting at 40. Birmingham at 46. The high today should be in the 60s. Around the nation, pretty cold up north, not quite as cold as the numbers we saw 4 or 5 days ago, but they are below freezing across much of the high plains, the upper Midwest. There's the watch warning map around the nation this morning. Some patches of fog. In our state, there is a dense fog advisory for parts of central and east Alabama, and that will dissipate later this morning, giving way to a sunny afternoon. Thunderstorms, a marginal risk over the far Pacific Northwest coast of all places, but much of the country should be pretty quiet today. But check this out. This is day 5. This is Friday. We have a risk of severe storms from northeastern Texas up to places like Chicago and Indianapolis. This includes all of Arkansas, parts of western Tennessee, North Mississippi. It just clips the northwestern corner of Alabama. Beyond that, there is no risk defined for Saturday, but that's something we'll have to watch in coming days, and we'll take a look at this in modeling. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Monday morning of next week, and the WPC guys have nothing for the southern half of the state. This will probably change. I do think we'll see rain, some rain statewide Saturday, and maybe some strong storms. Check weather in the tropics, a disturbance in the eastern Atlantic on this November day. That's got a medium chance of developing over the next 5 days, maybe affecting the Azores, but obviously no threat to North America. So, model fans, let's take a look. This is the GFS, the 06E run, valid at 12 noon today. Trough axis on the East Coast. Now below that for us, the day should be sunny with a high in the mid-60s. Pretty much the same deal tomorrow. Sunny. We start the day around 40. The high will be in the 60s. And Wednesday, same deal, partly to mostly sunny with 60s of front north and west of the state. But most likely that will not produce any rain because there's no moisture to work with. And then Thursday, just a reinforcing surge of dry air. And the same thing, lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s. Now, this is Friday, and you can see that deep surface low developing around Des Moines, becoming very windy over Chicago and Indianapolis, the old witch of November for the Great Lakes, if you will. And down to the south and east of that surface low, there could be a few severe storms Friday afternoon and Friday night. But for us, the day Friday looks dry. We might be around 70 Friday afternoon, very comfortable. This is Friday night at midnight. Surface low near Detroit. Trailing cold front down to Dallas, and this is Saturday. That deep surface low is northeast of Detroit, and you can see a band of showers and storms working through here. If this verifies, the best chance of rain could be Saturday morning, but let's check the old European. What do you say? This is noon on Saturday, and it's considerably slower. It's got a band of storms just pushing into North Alabama at noon. And then by 6 o'clock Saturday evening, it's kind of blowing through here. So if you take the GFS, the best chance of rain and storms Saturday would be during the morning hours. You take the European, the better chance during the afternoon and evening hours. So timing is a little uncertain, but no doubt we'll need to mention a chance of rain and storms as the weekend begins. And then Sunday, noticeably colder air blows in here, but dry. Sunday should be cool and dry. We start the day in the 30s, the high in the 50s, maybe even upper 40s in spots. And then Monday, a week from today, deep trough on the East Coast. And again, that's a cool, dry air mass. We'll probably be around the freezing mark Monday morning, maybe 20s for the colder pockets with a high, I think, in the 50s for most spots. But again, some locations could be in the 40s. Let's keep going out to the middle part of next week. This is Thanksgiving Eve, Wednesday, November 22nd. Woo boy, look at that trough digging down through here. Goodness. Here's the surface chart. This is right at midnight that Wednesday night, November 22nd. Rain, maybe some thunder passing through here. Looks pretty active for the travelers. And again, understand this is in the land of voodoo. This will change, but it's just a general idea. And let's just keep going. This is Thanksgiving night, November 23rd. Wow, you talk about a cold shot. And yeah, that's even suggesting some snow flurries down and through here. So again, the weather toward Thanksgiving and Black Friday looking very cold at this point. And look at the anomalies. Oh boy, that's down in the 15 to 20 degree below average range. So again, for Thanksgiving, it sure looks cold at this point on into be the following weekend, which would be Black Friday and I guess Iron Bowl Saturday. Check the numbers off the GFS Ensemble, and it's got us actually dipping into the upper 40s Sunday and Monday, this coming Sunday and Monday, with lows down around freezing. And it's yet to really identify that cold air out there toward Thanksgiving, but don't be shocked if those numbers come way down in coming days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.